If you want your vocals to sound just like AI, then this video is for you. We are going to be using Cubase 12 stock plugins. Let's get started, and be sure to subscribe if this video helps you.
And when the road is so scary and dark, may I trust that I do not walk alone. You go before me, you walk beside me, you dwell within me.
Before processing, there's a very big difference, so I'm going to take you step by step and show you exactly how to achieve a clean, upfront, nice sounding vocal just like AI. So stay tuned, don't go away, watch the full video so that it can help you. And after this video, you'll be able to achieve a very clean sound just like AI. I'll give you the preset, make sure you check the comment section. Start by inserting a frequency EQ. It's a Cubase stock plugin. After inserting, high pass around 80 and cut some MIDI frequencies around 200 to 350. You can also boost 5K to 10K to add some air. That's how it sounds with the EQ implemented. Next, we are going to use the compression to keep the vocal stable and professional, just like the modern AI vocal sound. Just copy these exact settings. You'll see the magic working.
And when the road is so scary and dark, may I trust that I do not walk alone. You dwell within me.
Let's hear without the compression.
And when the road is so scary.
And with.
And when the road is so scary and dark, may I trust that I do not walk alone.
Yeah, now to smoothen this vocal, we are going to use the DeEsser.
And when the road is so scary and dark, may I trust that I do not walk alone. You go before me, you walk beside me.
It smoothens the harsh frequencies so the vocal sounds polished. Use Magneto to saturate the vocals.
And when the road is so scary and dark, may I trust that I do not walk alone. You go before me.
Use it gently, not to distort the vocals. Let's add the reverb now.
And when the road is so scary and dark, may I trust that I do not walk alone. You go before me, you walk beside me, you dwell within me.
Use a plate preset and just mix it just to test.
And when the road is so scary and dark, may I trust that I do not. And when the road is so scary and
Modern vocals use controlled ambience instead of huge mess reverb, so be careful while using this one. Now add a delay.
And when the road is so scary and dark, may I trust that I do not walk alone. You go before me, you walk beside me, you dwell within me. Grant me more. And when the road is so scary and dark, may I trust that I do not walk alone. You go before me, you walk beside me.
Now add a limiter to add some more gain to the vocals so that it can be heard very well, just like this.
And when the road is so scary and dark, may I trust that I do not walk alone.
Add a Brickwall Limiter also.
And when the road is so scary and dark, may I trust that I do not walk alone. You go before me, you walk beside me, you dwell within me. Grant me more courage.
Yeah, this catches the peaks without destroying the dynamics of their vocals. That's why we use it at the end of the chain. After doing all of this, your vocals will sound exactly sharp, just like AI.
And when the road is so scary and dark, may I trust that I do not walk alone. You go before me, you walk beside me, you dwell within me.
I hope this video helped you. Be sure to subscribe. If you like the preset, you can download it in the description. See you in the next video.